we are going to discuss chapter 2 nationalism in India, but this time not the theory part, the maps of this chapter. And in this chapter these places you have to locate and label in the map, and our areas of focus are only the state Gujarat, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and Bengal, West Bengal. So, and the places are Calcutta, Nagpur, Madras, where in some year the session of Congress held, and rest places are related to any incident during the national movement. So, we will start from the Congress session. Congress session of September 1920 in Kolkata, and Kolkata is here. The border mixed with the Bangladesh. Here is Kolkata. So this is the place. That time Calcutta. The Congress session of 1927 was held in Calcutta. September 1920. The two sessions held in 1920. So first is in Calcutta and second one in Nagpur. December 1920, and Nagpur is here. Here. The northeastern part of the Maharashtra. This is Nagpur. The Congress session of December 1920. Then the Congress session of 1927 held in Madras. Old name of Chennai. So Chennai is in Tamil Nadu. Here is Andhra Pradesh. So near the border. This is Madras. And in exam, the question can be asked that they will not write the names. They will give only the information that mark the place, label the place where the Congress session of 1927 held. And then you have to write the name of the place. You have to first recall the name and then write here, and the number of the question also. Then come on these places. So let's start with Mahatma Gandhi, because of our national movement fought around the Mahatma Gandhi. So firstly he came in India in 1915 January. Then he organized his first satyagrah in Champaran in 1917. So when the question asked that the Indigo Satyagrah, Indigo Planters Satyagrah organized on which place, then you will mark the Champaran, and Champaran is here near the UP and Nepal border. It's Bihar and it is Champaran. It is Champaran. Okay. Then the next incidents will come after this Satyagrah. Gandhiji organized two more Satyagrah in Gujarat. In Kheda here in 1907. In Kheda, Gujarat, he organized his second Satyagrah, and the Satyagrah of mill workers in Ahmedabad. This is Ahmedabad. Just above the Tropic of Cancer, Ahmedabad. Then after these, Gandhiji thought they must organize a nationwide satyagrah, so that he planned the non-cooperation movement. And before this, one major incident happened in 1990, Jallianwala incident, Jallianwala massacre. So Jallianwala is in Amritsar, and Amritsar in Punjab, near the border of Pakistan and Jammu and Kashmir. This is Amritsar, spot Amritsar here. Amritsar. Now, after that, the Satyagrah non-cooperation movement began. Then Gandhiji called off non-cooperation movement because of some reasons. The violent protest in Chauri Chaura, and Chauri Chaura is in Gorakhpur, a village in Gorakhpur, and Gorakhpur is in UP here, upper side near the Nepal border. This is Gorakhpur. So mark Gorakhpur, Chauri Chaura here. Chauri Chaura, the place of historic importance. Then after this, some break taken by Mr. Mahatma Gandhi. Then he started his non-cooperation movement, and he broke salt law in Dandi. So information will be given you that where Gandhiji broke the salt law, and answer is Dandi, and Dandi is here in Gujarat and near Maharashtra. This place is Dandi. This place. Okay. I spotted it here. Dandi. Then Dandi is complete. Now Amritsar is complete. So I think all the 8 map item we have done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 map items we have done of this chapter. So practice it on political map, and you can also locate these map on physical map, but political map can give you a more accurate idea.